Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering the minimal essentials: source files, examples, and a chosen AI model with API access. Once you have keys and access, create a small prompt template that asks for structure, examples, and tone. Use precise instructions, output format, headings, and code fences. Make sure to test with one short file. Evaluate the result for accuracy and completeness. If it fails, tweak the template and include more examples until the output reliably matches your documentation style. Now automate. You map files to prompts and feed them in batches, using 1 to 3 example prompts that show desired structure. Once done, have the AI extract code snippets, expected results, and edge cases into labeled blocks. Make sure to implement change tracking so new content is merged rather than overwritten. Use validation checks, unit tests, or lint rules on generated code examples to catch errors early. If accuracy dips, increase examples per prompt or add explicit constraints. Finish by validating consistency. Check links, references, and terminology across the whole doc set. Once done, integrate generation into CI/CD so every commit triggers a docs build and publish step. Include versioned outputs. Make sure to queue human review for critical sections and set a rollback process for faulty releases. If things go wrong, run the rollback, inspect the last prompt changes, and regenerate with stricter constraints and added examples to prevent repeating the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.